Hello my dear health seekers, Inga from Health Origins here, and today I've got a very quick and exciting salad dressing recipe. So this is obviously no oil salad dressing, and I've got a lot of juicy raspberries from our little bush at the front. So I'm gonna be making raspberry salad dressing. So let's begin. So this is such an easy recipe. All you need is about a cup of raspberries. So these are fresh raspberries. Then you're gonna need a third of a cup either red wine vinegar or balsamic vinegar. So I'm just pouring it in here. Then we're gonna add 2 tablespoons of maple syrup, just to give that bit of sweetness to balance out the sharpness of the vinegar. So 2 tablespoons. Perfect. Then I'm gonna add half a teaspoon of salt and half a teaspoon of onion powder, and that is it. Basically that's all the ingredients, and we're gonna just whiz it up. So half a teaspoon of salt and half a teaspoon of onion powder. My onion powder gets coagulated a little bit, so there you go, half a teaspoon of onion powder. And then all I need to do is now blend. So I've got a stick blender here, my Bamix, my trusty Bamix. I'll link to you in the description below which stick blender it is, because they have a few. This is the Swiss line model, and it's served over 10 or even longer years, the motor itself. I had to change the blade and I had to change the stand, but it's still going. So yeah, so I quite like doing with a stick blender, or you could do it in a normal blender. That will work just well. Actually, I think because this is red and could splash everywhere and we don't want red stains, I'm gonna get a little guard on here. But if you're doing obviously in a closed blender, then you'll be fine. So I've got a little contraption here where I can just put that on and do my blending, and then it doesn't splash as much. That is it. Look at the color of this. Oh my goodness. This looks spectacular. Amazing. So now I'm going to do a little taste test here. Oh wow. It's really kind of pungent, but it'll work so well. So I made this kind of simple salad. I'm really into adding feta to my salads right now. So it's got all sorts of ingredients. It's got some lettuce, it's got some green onions, it's got some what's this, kohlrabi, it's got some radish, it's got some what you call it, sweet corn, it has some cucumber, it has some courgette, basically lots of good stuff. So I'm gonna pour about half of this dressing on there. Oh, look at this, it's looking amazing. So we're gonna just mix that up. So I mixed up the salad, and I'm gonna put a little bit to taste test. Wow. It has quite a bit of tang. It does have the sweetness coming through as well. As you can imagine, it's quite a fruity salad dressing, but it's yummy. It kind of freshens up the whole salad. Yum. So I used on this large salad I use about 2/3 of the dressing, so it's going to be about 1/3 or a bit more of the dressing left for a different salad. So just put it in a jar, and you can keep it in the fridge for about 2-3 days. I think it will last. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Give me a thumbs up if you did. If you're new here, welcome, and subscribe for more videos from me here on Wednesday and Saturday. And this month, July, I'm doing 30 videos in 30 days marathon. So yeah, so you'll see more videos from me this month. And like always, remember, food is fuel. So be mindful of what you put in the body. Until next time.